vivace, muy alegre, la triste mustia vida.
What's up guys? Welcome to my first vlog. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic classic in Philippine literature, which is the Noli Me Tangere by Dr. Jose Protasio Mercado Rizal y Alonso Realanda. If you're a student like me, a book lover, or just curious about why this novel changed an entire nation, this vlog is for you. Let's get started. So, Noli Me Tangere was published in 1887 during the Spanish colonization of the Philippines. Rizal wrote it to expose the injustices, abuses, and corruption happening under colonial rule, especially by the friars. Imagine writing a book so powerful it literally awakened a whole country. That's how influential this novel is. A Noli Me Tangere story revolves around Crisostomo Ibarra, a young man who returns to the Philippines after studying in Europe. He dreams of building a school to help uplift the youth. But when he gets home, he discovers the truth behind his father's mysterious death and the deeply rooted corruption in society. Along the way, we met memorable characters like Maria Clara, Ibarra's love interest and symbol of purity, and Padre Damaso, the abusive friar who represent the colonial power, and Sisa, Basilio, and Crispin, a tragic family that shows the suffering of the poor Filipinos. One of this book remains a masterpiece. Its timeless themes. The first one is social injustice. Rizal exposes abuse of power, discrimination, and inequality. And the second one is this corruption and hypocrisy, especially by those in authority. And the third, love for country. It encouraged Filipinos to open their eyes, seek truth, and fight for freedom. And the fourth and last is identity and education. Ibarra's dream of building a school shows how Rizal believed education could transform the nation. Even today, these themes still feel relevant. The problems Rizal wrote about over a century ago, some of them still exist. What I love most about Noli Me Tangere is how alive the characters feel. They're not just a fictional people, they represent real Filipinos during Spanish era. Sisa, she is the symbol of the oppressed mother. Maria Clara, she is the ideal Filipina trapped between love and duty. Padre Damaso, he is the face of abusive power. And lastly, Crisostomo Ibarra, a symbol of hope, vision, and reform. For me, Noli Me Tangere is more than just a school requirement. It's just a reminder of where we came from as a nation. Reading it made me appreciate the sacrifices of those who fought for our freedom. The story can be heavy at times, but it's emotional, eye-opening, and beautifully written. If you love books that mix history, drama, romance, and social commentary, this is a must-read. It's not just a literature, it's wake-up call. So that's my book review of Noli Me Tangere. If you've read it, comment your favorite character or scene below. And you haven't yet, try reading it. You'll understand why it shaped our identity as a Filipinos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more book reviews. Thank you for watching!